Hi, so we're here testing the Allen&Heath Qu16 mixer console. To show you just a few features, you've got the faders pre-set up, so you can memorize the fader's position for different channels, and you can automatically switch between them. So you just preset them and then you choose the one that you want. It's a very cool feature, as you can see. Then we can adjust the parametric equalizer for different channels. As you can see, the curve will adjust accordingly. The gate and the compressor. Yeah, and that's our Qu16 video mixer, which is audio mixer, sorry, which is a lovely piece of equipment, as you can see. It's very nice design, very efficient and very high quality piece of equipment. I'll just show you the back as well. Okay, that's it from us. We'll go on testing before concluding this session.